Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant Collective joins in singing state anthem to pay tribute to Corona warriors. To sail through uncharted waters, we need to explore unconventional ideas, asserts CEO Rourkela Steel Plant. And HOD communication meeting held at Fire Services Department of SAIL RSP. Now the news in detail. SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant Collective joined the rest of the state of Odisha as well as the Oriya people living all over the world in singing the state anthem Bande Utkal Janani at 5:30 p.m. on 30th May. It is worth mentioning here that the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, had made an appeal to sing Bande Utkal Janani as a gesture of appreciation for the work done by COVID-19 warriors and to respect their sacrifices. Mr. Deepak Chatara, CEO RSP, Mr. P.K. Das, ED Works, Mr. Rajveer Singh, ED P&A, Mr. D.K. Mohapatra, ED MM, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Projects, and all other senior officers took part in the ceremonies held at their respective offices and units adhering to the various COVID-19 norms. The entire township and works areas reverberated with the mellifluous tune and the captivating words of the state anthem as the clock struck 5:30 in the evening.
Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani,
Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani.
Charu hasamai, charu bhasamai,
Charu hasamai, charu bhasamai,
Janani, Janani, Janani,
Bande Utkala Janani,
Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani.
Utapayodhi vidhauta sharira,
ताळतमाळ सुशोभित तीरा,
शुभ्रतटिनि कुल शिखर समीरा,
जननी जननी जननी,
Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani, Bande Utkala Janani.
घन घन वन भूमि राजित अंगे,
नीलभूधर माला साजित रंगे,
कळ कळ मुखरित चारु विहंगे,
जननी जननी जननी,
बंदे
उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी.
सुंदर साली सुशोभित क्षेत्र,
ज्ञान विज्ञान प्रदर्शित नेत्र,
जोगी ऋषि गण उठ जप पवित्र,
जननी जननी जननी,
वन्दे उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी.
सुंदर मंदिर मंडित देश,
चारु कला बलि शोभित वेश,
पुण्य तीर्थ चय पूर्ण प्रदेश,
जननी जननी जननी,
वन्दे उत्कल जननी, वन्दे उत्कल जननी.
परिकुल शोणित चर्चित देह
विश्वभूमण्डल कृतवर स्नेह
जननी जननी जननी
वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी
कविकुल मौळि सुनन्दन वन्द्य
भुवन विघोषित कीर्ति अनिन्द्य
धन्ये पुण्ये चिरशरण्ये
जननी जननी जननी
वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी वन्दे उत्कल जननी
वन्दे उत्कल जननी।
To sail through uncharted waters, we need to explore unconventional ideas, asserted Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO Rourkela Steel Plant, while addressing a session of Unmukt at the video conference hall on 30th May. 15 executives in the grades of E6 to E8 attended the session that was organized, complying with the social distancing and other prescribed norms related to coronavirus. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Chattaraj elaborated on the massive measures being taken up by the steel plant to face the challenges of COVID-19 pandemic and the physiological, social and psychological issues to be addressed in the post-lockdown period. He encouraged the participants to come up with innovative ideas to deal with the challenges of the post-lockdown period for improving the productivity, safety, quality, township amenities, etc. The CEO also exhorted the participants to come up with new ideas for process optimization, cost reduction and revenue generation, which are the priorities right now. During the interaction session, issues pertaining to generation of revenue from secondary sales, selling of idle assets through online tendering, use of solar energy plant maintenance, welfare of the contract labor, new measures to encourage social distancing in plant and marketplaces, revision of tenders, purchase orders, digitization of office work, adoption of webinars, alternate income generation activities, etc. were discussed in detail. An HOD communication meeting was held at Fire Services Department of SAIL, Rourkela Steel Plant on 29th May. Mr. B.P. Das, GM Fire Services, presided over the meeting. The meeting was conducted adhering to the guidelines for COVID-19 like social distancing, sanitization, use of mask, etc. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Das commended the efforts of the department collective in meeting the challenges posed by COVID-19. He urged all to be prepared for the upcoming problems in the post-lockdown period. During the meeting, a brief presentation was made by Mr. L.K. Mohapatra, Manager Personnel. The presentation focused on sanitization, safety and cost control measures to be taken to prevent COVID-19 in the post-lockdown scenario. A short quiz on COVID was also conducted on the occasion to have better internalization and participation. And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.